Top 5 books. Dropshipping Suppliers Worldwide books have been a reliable and profitable niche for e-commerce businesses for years. From bestsellers and textbooks to rare finds and children's stories, dropshipping books is a fantastic way to run a hands-off business with endless options for customers. But the key to success is partnering with the right suppliers. In today's video, we're breaking down the top 5 books dropshipping suppliers worldwide to help you build a successful store. Hey guys, welcome back to Dropshipping Hustle. In today's video, we're revealing the top 5 best books dropshipping suppliers worldwide. These suppliers are perfect for beginners and experienced sellers alike, offering everything you need to stock and sell books effortlessly. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the bell notification icon so you never miss out on our supplier recommendations, business strategies, and dropshipping tips. Let's get started. At number 5, Book Depository. Kicking off our list at number 5 is Book Depository, a trusted name in the global book market. What they offer. Book Depository has a massive inventory of books in multiple genres, including fiction, nonfiction, textbooks, and children's books. Why it's great for dropshipping. They offer free worldwide shipping, which is a huge advantage for reaching customers across the globe. Ease of use. Their platform is easy to navigate, and their competitive pricing makes it ideal for dropshippers looking to maintain healthy profit margins. If you're looking for a straightforward supplier with global shipping, Book Depository is a great option to start with. At number 4, Thrift Books. Coming in at number 4 is Thrift Books, a supplier specializing in secondhand and affordable books. What they offer. Thrift Books provides a wide range of used books, including rare finds, classics, and bestsellers, all at incredibly low prices. Why they're popular. Their pricing structure makes it easy to compete in the market, and they offer shipping to multiple countries, expanding your reach. Sustainability focus. By sourcing used books, Thrift Books also supports sustainable practices, which is a great selling point for eco-conscious customers. If affordability and sustainability are priorities for your business, Thrift Books is a fantastic choice for your dropshipping needs. At number 3, Ingram Spark. Next up at number 3 is Ingram Spark, one of the most trusted suppliers for print and digital books. What they offer. Ingram Spark allows you to dropship both physical and digital books, making it a versatile option for sellers targeting different customer preferences. Why they're great for dropshipping. With a global distribution network, Ingram Spark can fulfill orders in multiple countries quickly and reliably. Customization options. If you want to create your own custom books, Ingram Spark offers print-on-demand services, which is a great option for entrepreneurs with unique ideas. If you're looking for a professional, scalable supplier for physical and digital books, Ingram Spark is an excellent option to consider. At number 2, Lulu Direct. Coming in at number 2 is Lulu Direct, a print-on-demand platform that's perfect for custom books. What they offer. Lulu Direct specializes in creating custom books, including novels, photo books, and educational content. You can design your own products and sell them directly to your customers. Why they're perfect for dropshipping. Lulu Direct integrates seamlessly with e-commerce platforms like Shopify, automating the entire process from printing to fulfillment. Global reach. With fulfillment centers worldwide, Lulu Direct ensures fast shipping for your customers, no matter where they are. If you're looking to stand out by offering personalized or branded books, Lulu Direct is the supplier for you. At number 1, Printify. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is Printify, a leading print-on-demand platform for books and other products. What they offer. Printify allows you to design and sell custom books, such as journals, planners, and notebooks. You can also create personalized covers and content to appeal to niche audiences. Why they're the best. Printify integrates with major e-commerce platforms like Etsy, Shopify, and Wix, automating the entire dropshipping process. Global fulfillment Their global supplier network ensures fast delivery times and competitive shipping rates for customers worldwide. If you want a reliable, user-friendly supplier with customization options and global reach, Printify is the ultimate choice for books dropshipping. And that's a wrap. And that's our list of the top 5 books dropshipping suppliers worldwide. Let's quickly recap the list. Printify. Best overall for customization, automation, and global fulfillment. Lulu Direct. Perfect for creating and selling custom books. Ingram Spark. Ideal for physical and digital book dropshipping with global reach. Thrift Books. Great for affordable and sustainable used books. Book Depository. A trusted platform with free worldwide shipping. Which supplier are you most excited to try for your book dropshipping business? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it with your fellow entrepreneurs, and subscribe to Dropshipping Hustle for more supplier recommendations and strategies to grow your online store. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep hustling.